If you want to stay miserable forever, keep doing exactly what you're doing right now. Your brain is literally addicted to suffering, and here's how to feed that addiction perfectly. I'm not good enough. Yep, that's facts. I'll never succeed. Absolutely true. Never challenge these thoughts. Just swallow them whole like you swallow trending opinions online. Your brain loves this because negativity is familiar. It's been your comfort zone since childhood disappointments taught you that expecting the worst hurts less than hoping for the best. Spend hours worrying about other people's opinions, the economy, your past mistakes. Replay that embarrassing moment from 2019 on repeat. I used to lie awake calculating all the ways my career could fail instead of actually working on my skills. Spoiler, I was feeding my brain's addiction to stress chemicals. But hey, at least I felt productive while accomplishing nothing. Scroll through social media and let everyone else's highlight reel destroy your self-worth. That person got promoted? You're a failure. Someone's on vacation? Your life is boring. The truth is, your brain gets a hit of familiar suffering every time you compare. It's like emotional junk food. Tastes terrible, but you can't stop consuming it. But here's what nobody tells you. Suffering is just a habit. Your brain literally rewires itself based on what you practice. Want the cure? Start catching yourself. When that negative thought hits, ask, is this actually true or just familiar? Challenge one toxic thought today. Write it down, question it, replace it. Your brain will resist because suffering feels safe. But growth happens when you stop feeding the addiction to pain. For the next 24 hours, catch yourself every time you spiral into negative thinking. Just notice it. Don't judge yourself for it. Comment below with the one negative thought pattern you're ready to break. I bet most of you will scroll past this challenge because changing feels scarier than staying stuck. Prove me wrong.